Hi everybody! It's day 4 here at the IWF 2018, and as you can see, it's still really busy here at the Biesse booth with a lot of smart business owners exploring new ways to become more competitive. Let's hear then some final highlights from our North American team.
Good morning from Atlanta, and this is Federico Broccoli, President and CEO of Biesse American Canada. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all our customers here on the floor because we had a beautiful exhibitions and we reached all our sales target. The entire team of Biesse America and Canada is grateful to our customers, and I'm sure we gave to them a lot of idea how to develop their shop with the Biesse 4.0 technologies. It was a beautiful momentum to meet all of you, and I hope to see you at the next editions 2020, and also to our showroom in Charlotte, in Montreal, Toronto, and on the West Coast. We're here for you, don't forget that, and thank you again.
Thank you for coming.
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 Thanks for coming, Canada.
Merci d'être venu, Canada.
Thank you for coming.
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 Thank you for coming to the 2018 IWF show.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming.
Thanks for coming, and we look forward to seeing you in IWF 2020.